Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading Corp again. What we got for you today, we're testing a completely rebuilt positive displacement pump. This pump happens to be by Wright Flow technologies, and if you know anything about them, they're an exact copy of the Waukesha series pumps. In fact, they're so copied, the parts between Waukesha and Wright Flow are interchangeable. This is rather rare. This is an all stainless steel body, which is rare to find. You can see the shaft spinning there. It has an O-ring seal system. Got a new washdown duty motor on it by Listen, and we're operating through a Eurodrive gear reducer. You ultimately want to get about 600 RPM. We've installed the Lenzi AC frequency controller. So you're now running at full speed 60 Hertz, which in this pump gives you about 25 GPM. They say up to 30, but in most practical conditions, we find about 25, maybe 30 in certain fluids. It's running at its maximum capacity now. We just recirculate water as a test medium. We have lots of pumps in our stock like this. We do offer reconditioning on most of them. You'll find everything from hose pumps to Moino pumps to vacuum pumps. And we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us today.